In the little town of Jumbleberry, everything is normal until one morning the fridge decides it's had enough of being opened and closed all day. With a loud clunk, it sprouts wobbly legs and stomps right out of the kitchen, still stuffed with food. The fridge waddles down the street, chased by Toto the boy, his lazy dog Pickles, and a bossy talking parrot named Captain Squawk who keeps yelling, "Food escape." Everywhere the fridge goes, chaos follows. It bumps into the barber shop, giving everyone silly new haircuts. It crashes into the bakery and covers itself in cream puffs. It even tries to hide inside the library, but its door keeps creaking open and burping out sandwiches. Kids from the neighborhood join the chase, turning it into a slapstick parade with banana peels, rolling cabbages, and slippery spaghetti everywhere. Finally, the fridge gets tired, sits down in the middle of the park, and refuses to move until everyone agrees to stop slamming its door so hard. In the end, the fridge returns home, but only after Captain Squawk promises to install a little doorbell on it so people can politely ding-dong before opening. Until the microwave starts to giggle ominously,